My name is Peter Ward. I have a lovely food shop in the centre of the milk market. We're about lots of different things and food. But you know, really when people come down here, it's all about ham. This is Limerick. It's a couple of 100-year-old tradition. I want to carry it on. Today we had ham on the bone, we had ham off the bone, we had smoked hams, we had hocks, we had cooked pig's heads, we had cooked ribs, just to keep the tradition alive in the heart of the city. Okay, we've saffron, we've olive oil, we've parmesan, but if you come to Limerick, it's going to be about ham. If you want ham, I'll give you ham.